Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to set a TikTok sound as your alarm sound. Like you can see here, I have a custom TikTok sound. Now let me show you how to install it. So first, you need these three apps. The first one is GarageBand. The second one is TikTok itself. And the third one is a ringtone maker. All of them I also include the link in my video description. You can just go to TikTok. Then you need to download the TikTok sound that you like. Just hit on the share button and hit on save video, and it will save into your camera roll. And after that, then you need to go to ringtone maker to convert a video from TikTok to an audio. Now I'm gonna close the ad. Now hit on the plus button on the top. Make sure you hit on import from video, and it will go into your camera roll and select the video that you have just downloaded from TikTok. In my case, it is this one. Hit on done. Now it has been converted into an MP3. Hit on the eye icon on the top right. Hit on make ringtone. Now you will need to go to GarageBand. For some reason, if you don't see it, just swipe to the left. Hit on more. Now you're gonna find a GarageBand. Hit on it, and you will go to this page. So you're gonna go ahead and hit on this one, and hit on my song like this. So this is the file that we need. And hit on share, and after that make sure you select on ringtone. In this step you should be able to rename your custom sound, so I'm gonna go ahead and put TikTok 1. Lastly, hit on export on the top right. Now it is exporting. It has been exported successfully. Now go ahead and go into your clock, and now I'm gonna go ahead hit on the plus button on alarm. Now on sound, you can go ahead select on the sound that you have just export. Like you see here, we have TikTok 1. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll catch you guys in the next one.